大家好，我是凯丽。今天我们来讲汉语的语法。多大、几和多少又有什么区别呢？ Let's see. The interrogative phrase 多大is used to ask about a person's age. For example, 你多大了？你多大了？你女儿多大了？李老师多大了？李老师多大了？下一个，几 is used to ask about a number usually less than 10. For example, 你有几个汉语老师？你有几个汉语老师？李老师家有几口人？李老师家有几口人？口 is the measure word for describing family members. 你女儿几岁了？你女儿几岁了？ Let's look at the measure words 个 and 口。个 is the most common measure word in Chinese. It usually put before a noun. When you cannot find any measure word, when you say 个, people will understand. For example, 3个老师 3 teachers. 5个学生 5 students. 1个杯子 1 cup. 口 also is a measure word usually used for members of a family. For example, 李老师家有6口人。李老师家有6口人。你家有几口人？你家有几口人？我家有3口人。我家有3口人。我们来看多少。多少 is used to ask about numbers larger than 10, and the measure word following it can be omitted. 多少 can also be used to inquire about prices. We say 多少钱 how much. For example, 你们学校有多少个学生？或者你们学校有多少学生？ The measure word 个 can be omitted. 你有多少个汉语老师？或者你有多少汉语老师？个 can be omitted. 这个杯子多少钱？这个杯子多少钱？ Let's look at the difference between 几 and 多少。When asking about numbers, we say 这是几？这是几？ Or we can say 这是多少？这是多少？ When asking for quantity, we say 你要几杯水？你要几杯水？ How many cups of water do you want? The measure word must be added before 几。When used 多少, we say 你要多少杯水 or 你要多少。Adding measure word is not mandatory. When asking for time, we say 几年几月几号。We use 多少 to ask a period of time. We say 多久多长时间 both means how long. When asking for age, we say 你几岁？你几岁？ We usually use this expression for asking little children's age. When used 多少, we say 你多大？ How old are you? 你多大？你学会了吗？ If you like this video, please hit the like button and forward to your friends so they can learn Chinese too. I read all the comments, so please let me know what do you want to know about the Chinese culture or about the Chinese language. I will make new videos. I will keep updating Chinese learning videos and videos about Chinese culture. So please do subscribe my channel. Make sure you hit the bell and turn on notifications so that you don't miss any videos. And also follow me on other social media platforms. If you want to see more Chinese learning videos, please go to my website. Your support and suggestions mean a lot to me. Thank you so much. See you next time. 再见。